guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing these thumb grips. They're Pokeball themes. They're for the Switch or the Switch Lite. Really cool. They're nice, right? They're like unique. They're great to give you like a nice grip when you're playing, and you know, just good performance on your Switch. They're soft TPE material, really nice. It's got a little red one, like a Pokeball, like a purple one, a blue one, and a gray one. They're really easy to put on. You just, literally put them over and that's it. But really nice. We highly recommend them. It definitely gives a nice, unique look to the Switch. Right? You like it? Yeah? What are your thoughts?
They have a really good grip on my thing.
Yeah.
On my Joy-Con.
And then it's a colorful, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so really cool. We love it and we highly recommend it and we hope you enjoy. Bye.